Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north from Cool Spring towards Dressikie, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on the B13 Cool Spring Road. Entering Dressikie, and the road parallel to our right, which is on the hill, is Mount Angus School Road. Straight ahead is the B13 Union Hill to Lambkin Hill Road, which will take you to Union Hill, Ramble and other communities. We have made the right onto Top Pen Road, which will take you towards Barnswood, Top Pen, Hunstown, Bonny Gate and other places. Top Pen Road ends approximately here, and we are now driving on Barnswood Road. Entering Top Pen. The upcoming road on the left is Wellington Road, which will take you to Wellington District as well as towards Union Hill, Ramble and other communities. The road on the right is Bonny Gate Road, which will take you to Bonny Gate and other places. Also here to the right is the Welcome to Top Pen road sign. We are now driving on Unstone Road. Continuing on Unstone Road will take you to Unstone, Fontabelle, Geddes Town, Jacks River and other communities. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.